County in northeastern Oklahoma until 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles southeast of Ponca City, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour.
They just said they...
Expected hazards
include
include 60
right there.
miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Pawhuska, Fairfax, Scheidler, Burbank, Fort Eager, Pearsonia, Wood City, Jefferson. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Doubleheader.
The current time is 12:58 p.m. Central.
We're already up into it, bro. I got this one blocked in.
At the Tulsa International Airport, it was partly sunny, but temperature was 84, dew point 72, relative humidity 67%. The wind was held at 20, gusting to 20. The pressure was 29.91 inches and falling.